Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription on Feedly. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to use Feedly. How do you actually go ahead and cancel your subscription? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log onto your Feedly account. Then on the upper left-hand corner, you want to click on your profile name and then click on settings. Once you click on that, you want to click on billing. So as you can see here, we have an active subscription that says active right over here. But if you want to go ahead and cancel your Feedly subscription, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says cancel subscription. So with that, you're just going to click on cancel subscription, which is right over here. But you will still have access to your features until your subscription actually expires. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cancel your Feedly subscription. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.